How to get and use Discord on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use Discord on PS4. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now even if you cannot use Discord on PS4, keep in mind there is no Discord app on the PS Store. You can actually do it from a web browser. But aside from signing in from a web browser, let's say you want your Discord to actually display your PlayStation playing status, such as playing Roblox, playing Doom, playing Fortnite or whatever else. You can actually do that by going to settings, going to account management, going to link services, and then linking Discord from the menu. So you basically have to select Discord. In my case I've already linked it, so I will not be able to see the Discord icon, but if you haven't, you just need to click on Discord to do so. Now once you've done that, what you need to do is, if you want to use Discord though, you can just open up any of the internet browser on your PlayStation. Then at the very top of the URL address bar over here, what you want to just type in is, you just want to type in Discord, right? So basically I want you to go ahead and then cross out everything you have over here. Once you actually replace it with the word called Discord, all you have to do is just click on R2 to get done, and then at the very top you can see the first link, which is discord.com, right? So basically you just need to click on the Discord link, which is at the very top of the screen, and over here you can see use Discord. So basically, of course, we cannot download it because that is a PC version, so you can instead select open Discord in your browser over here, and when you select open Discord in your browser, you can simply actually enter your username, or you can just click on the login button from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you enter your login credentials, you'll be successfully able to log into Discord and then use it respectively in that way. And that is it on how you can use Discord on PS4. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.